Yes, so good morning, students. We all have discussed about the evolution of computers in the first lecture. So here as we have discussed about history of computer, in history we have seen some devices which were used in previous days, some devices which were used for calculations. So here we have seen this device. This is abacus. This abacus was the first calculating device, and as the picture says, it has a wooden frame, and in that frame two parts are there. One, as I have shown, this is heaven. The other one is earth. Heaven has 2 beads and earth has 5 beads. So these beads are moved, and with the movement of these beads a person can calculate numbers. So this device was basically used for addition and subtraction, as well as with addition, subtraction, the division and multiplication of simple numbers was also possible with the help of abacus. This was developed in China, and it worked as a calculating device. The next machine which we had discussed that day was Pascal's adding machine. Pascal's machine was developed by French mathematician, and this machine he invented at the age of 19. Just wait a moment. I'll just bring the screen again. Now, yes. So here we are. After abacus, we have Pascal's adding machine. This is a picture of Pascaline. The machine which he has invented is known as Pascaline, and on his name only, the another name of this machine is Pascal's calculator. So he invented the machine at the age of 19 in the year 1642, and this machine was able to do addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division was not possible on this machine. It was quite a complex job to do multiplication and division. So another machine after Pascal's adding machine, another machine is Leibniz calculator. This was invented by a German mathematician. Look at this machine. This is Leibniz calculator, and this machine was basically used for multiplication, division, and square root, along with addition and subtraction. So square root is something new uh, something new which you will be learning in higher class. So the next one which was there that day is Charles Babbage. Okay, so Charles Babbage is a British mathematician, and he is known as father of computer. He invented two machines. One is difference engine, that was invented in the year 1822, and other one is analytical engine in the year 1833. And this is the picture of Charles Babbage, and the machine which we had invented has controlling capacity also, means it has a control unit as well as storage capacity. The next one is Augusta Ada Lovelace, that is Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace is the full name of this lady. She was English mathematician, and she worked on analytical engine which was prepared by Charles Babbage, and she became the first computer programmer. Next we had discussed about George Boole. So George Boole was an English mathematician, and he created a machine that is known as Boolean logic, and today's computer's internal setting is based on George Boole Boolean logic. Same as Dr. Herman Hollerith, he has invented tabulating machine. After that, John von Neumann has prepared a model of computer, and today's model of computer is based on this model only. Then we had discussed about Howard Aiken. He invented the machine called Mark I in 1944. Then ENIAC was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. This machine, as the name says, ENIAC, that is electronic numerical integrator and computer. This is electronic computer which can work on numeric data. After that, UNIVAC is universal automatic computer, invented by Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. Now after these things, we'll be discussing generations of computer in the next period. So that's all for today's class. Thank you children. Have a good day.